When your Dasher app isn't showing orders, it's usually due to DoorDash's sophisticated algorithm that prioritizes certain drivers over others. Understanding these factors is key to getting more orders. DoorDash's algorithm prioritizes Dashers based on three key performance metrics. First, your acceptance rate should be above 70%. Second, maintain a customer rating above 4.7 stars. Third, keep your completion rate above 95%. You can track these metrics in your Dasher app. This performance tracker shows exactly where you stand on each metric that affects your order visibility. Your location significantly impacts order visibility. Stay within half a mile of restaurant clusters for the best results. The map shows hotspots with flame icons. These indicate high-demand areas. Pay attention to zone colors in your app. Gray zones are oversaturated with too many Dashers. Light red zones offer the best order-to-Dasher ratios. Dark red zones have high demand, but may have delays. Technical issues are common causes of missing orders. Ensure you're using app version 6.8 or newer from 2024. Enable location services and background app refresh for optimal performance. Server load during peak hours can cause order display delays. The busiest problem times are 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for lunch and 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. for dinner. Based on 2024 data, here are the primary causes of order display issues. Network connectivity problems account for 32% of cases. App technical problems cause 28% of issues. Zone saturation represents 23% of problems, while account status issues cause 12%. Understanding these causes helps you identify and fix the most likely problems affecting your order visibility. When you're not seeing orders, start with these immediate solutions that fix most issues quickly. Make sure location services are set to always for DoorDash, not just while using app. This ensures continuous order notifications. If immediate solutions don't work, try these basic troubleshooting steps that address common technical issues. For persistent issues, these advanced steps clear deeper technical problems. On Android, clear the app's cache and data. On iOS, offload and reinstall the app. Reset your device's network settings to fix connectivity issues. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords but often resolves stubborn connection problems. If technical solutions don't work, contact DoorDash support directly. They can check for account-specific issues or zone problems that only they can resolve. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. These measures help avoid order visibility issues before they start. Remember, Dashers with ratings above 4.7 and acceptance rates over 70% receive significantly more order opportunities. Maintaining these metrics is your best defense against order visibility issues.